Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia. If this is your first time visiting my channel, today I want to share with you my recent haul from Dollar Tree, and then there's a couple items that I picked up at Michael's for my future DIYs for Christmas. This is not for all the DIYs I will be doing, but just a few that I have upcoming in the next week and a half to 2 weeks. So without further ado, I'm going to get right into it. So I'm going to start with Michael's just because there's just like 2 items but several things within that item. So I had picked up these antlers because last year when I was when I needed antlers, by the time I got around to getting some, they were all gone and I could not find any. So I picked these up a couple weeks ago actually, because they were I saw them, so I wanted to get them. They were $6, and then at that time they had 50% off for all the all the, what are these called, picks for like your garlands and your wreaths or even your Christmas tree. So they had 50% off, so they were $3 each. And then they also had a sale on ribbon, and I just picked this ribbon up. It's like checkered ribbon. I just really like this ribbon. I probably don't really need ribbon because I have plenty left over from last year, but I didn't have this one and I really like this one, and I kind of have a project in mind that I want to use that one. So then moving on to DIY stuff from Dollar Tree, there are a couple items that I picked up. So several items were not DIY. So I picked up my new desktop calendar. The light is so awful here. There we go. And this was, I use these to have kind of all my YouTube stuff right in front of me when I'm working at my desk, and then I write notes on there. And then if I'm watching a video and somebody's talking about a collab or anything like that, I write it right away down there before I transfer it into my book. So anyhow, so then I picked up, they have this year the best, in my opinion, Christmas cards so far. I sometimes make my own, but I am finding the time is not in my favor this for past couple months, so I picked these up in case if I don't have time to make my own. So I have a Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas, and there were 14 cards here. And then my favorite one was this one. And this one just says on the inside, wishing you a very Merry Christmas wherever the season takes you. And there's 12 of them. And it says home for the holidays on top here, which I'm not sure if you can see because the light is so bright. But if I don't make the light bright, then you can't see me. And now moving on to the DIY supplies. So I picked these up. My intention was to buy the twine ones. Of course, the dollar store in my area didn't have any because they never have anything. The place is a flippin' disaster. But they had these. They were 3 different sizes, which is what I was looking for. So I'm just going to have to buy something else to go with it to make it look the way I want it to look. Then I picked up the 3 of their trees because I will be making something with that, which is a video coming up next week, yes. And then not a Christmas item, but I had picked these up that I'm going to be using for a video. Well, probably by the time this video comes up, I have already used it. So we don't like candy corn, like nobody in my family likes to eat it, but I love how I can use it for decor. I just think it makes things stand up more for fall or Halloween. And then I had picked up some letters that I will be doing something with this. So I got J-O-Y. So you can see what I'm spelling with those, and these are great. Love using these letters in the DIY projects. And then I also picked several of these, again, picks. I'm not crazy on how green, the color of green that's on here. So I think I will most likely be flocking these or before I use them in my DIYs. And I'm going to be trying a different method, so I'm going to be sharing that as well. So I had picked up a whole bunch of those. And of course, I am in Canada, so all of these are $1.25. And then the last thing for my DIYs that I had picked up are these stars, which I will use. By the time, like I said, this video comes up, you will be seeing how I use those. You would have already seen how I use those. So this was, like I said, just to get me over for next 2-3, well, probably week and a half to 2 weeks. And then I'll most likely have another haul to share with you because I have so many plans for next 2 months. Well, next month and a half before Christmas. And I want to share all the DIYs I'll be making with you. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day. And if you're brand new to my channel, I would love for you to press that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Besides the DIYs and hauls, I also like to share cleaning videos and home decor and vlogs here and there and cooking. So I hope you can find something that you like. So until next time, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and thank you so much for watching.